Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a G-Sync flickering or shuttering problem on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method on, you just need to open up NVIDIA app and go to settings, and you just need to turn off NVIDIA overlay. This problem could also be any other overlay software like any other screen recording software or something similar to that. So turn it off. If this method doesn't work, method 2, you just need to right click on the desktop and select show more options and select NVIDIA control panel. Under 3D settings, you just need to select the manage 3D settings, and in this list you just need to find a monitor technology. If you find it, then you just need to click on it and click on this drop down and set the monitor technology to fixed refresh rate, and after doing it, select apply to save changes. And if this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to search for vsync. Just click on this drop down in virtual sync and select to turn it on. After turning on, select the apply option to save changes. After doing that, you just need to open up the game you play and turn on vsync in the graphics settings. And after doing that, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.